Hi friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register with the AUS Global Broker. You go to the Forex Brokers section, select as Global, and then click on Register on the website. You go to the AUS Global website and click on Open Account. In the Sabbath section, enter your first and last name, and you enter your last name exactly as it appears on your passport in this section. You select your gender, enter your email address, and also your date of birth. If you have a two-factor authentication code, you enter it here. If you don't, you can get it from our support team. You choose your nationality, and finally, after entering all the information, you click on Get Code. You click on Get Code. You go to your email, you select as Global, and in this section, you choose the relevant code, copy it, and paste it. Here, enter code, confirm terms, click Continue. Answer questions about income and job, click Continue. Enter contact info, mobile number, WhatsApp, full address. In the next section, you answer financial questions like your income and your job. And after entering that information, you click on Continue. In the next step, you enter your contact information, such as your mobile phone number and information about programs such as WhatsApp or others of your choice, as well as your city and region and your full address. After entering your country of residence and postal code, you click on Continue. Friends, the first stage of registration is complete. Stay with us, as in the next video, we will guide you on how to verify and register for the second stage.